on the next episode.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. The Ultimate Love finale is on right now, and the first housemate to be evicted from the Ultimate Love pad is Chivia. Remember, Ultimate Love couple Chivia is made up of Chidi and Chivia. They have just been evicted from the love pad just now. Stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment to get more updates as the live show unfolds. Yeah, guys, I hope you're not shocked, you're not surprised that this has happened. I mean, there's always going to be a winner, and now Chivia has been evicted. Sorry to all Chivia fans for this news. Please, okay, stay tuned to get more updates as the live show continues. With love.